A lot of people believe aging explains every change they feel in their mind or eyesight. Whenever they forget a name or struggle to read a menu at night, they sigh and say this must be part of getting older. But what if many of these issues are not caused by age at all? What if some of the fogginess and slow thinking and poor night vision that show up after 60 are actually linked to something far more controllable? Many adults over 60 experience mild dips in cognitive speed and nighttime eyesight sensitivity, especially when their blood sugar runs even slightly higher than normal. And here is something most people never realize. A very large number of older adults in the United States live with undetected borderline blood sugar issues. Often they feel totally fine during the day, yet their brain and eyes struggle quietly each evening. Even natural fruit sugars can play a role when eaten at the wrong time. Not to frighten you, but to empower you. I want to show you how you can take your clarity and vision back with a simple evening habit. A single fruit after dinner can either help restore nighttime sharpness or gradually dull it. Tonight, I will guide you through 4 fruits that are low in sugar, rich in protective plant nutrients, and gentle, enough to support your brain and eyes as you sleep. These are not rare superfoods or expensive powders. They are everyday fruits that most people overlook completely, simply because they do not know what to choose. So let us begin with one fruit that few people understand, even though it might be one of the strongest. Nighttime all eyes for anyone over 60. It is not an apple and it is not a berry. It is a tropical fruit, crisp in texture, full of flavor, and surprisingly powerful for both vision and memory. It is guava. Guava may look like a simple tropical treat, but it carries a unique blend of vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that support the delicate tissues of aging eyes and brains. This fruit contains a very high level of natural vitamin C, which plays a central role in protecting the retina and keeping the nerves that handle visual signals healthy. As people age, the tiny structures inside the eye face oxidative pressure from stress, diet, and natural metabolic processes. These forces damage cells and weaken the retina level by level, eventually making nighttime environments harder to navigate. Guava steps in here with strong antioxidant activity. The plant compounds found in guava help neutralize free radicals, so your retinal cells and neurons stay stronger through the years. Many older adults notice sharper nighttime clarity within a few weeks of adding guava to their evenings. For example, one woman in her late 60s shared that after adding half a guava to her dinner routine, she could drive at night again without narrowing her eyes at every bright light. Her confidence returned because her eyes were no longer overwhelmed by darkness and glare. This is the type of change guava can support because it nourishes tissues at the cellular level rather than offering a quick, short-lived fix. The best way to enjoy guava is raw and ripe. Pink and red flesh varieties contain the strongest antioxidants. Eat the peel if your stomach tolerates it, because many of the nutrients rest just beneath the skin. If your digestive system is sensitive, you can blend guava into plain yogurt or steam it lightly until it softens. Avoid guava juice because juice removes the helpful fiber while concentrating natural sugars. Half a guava after dinner is enough to begin supporting nighttime retinal repair while calming inflammation pathways in the brain. Once you start exploring fruits that protect the brain at night, you cannot ignore berries. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and similar fruits look small, but they contain some of the most important pigments for cognitive resilience. These pigments are called anthocyanins, and they give berries their deep purple and blue shades. They also cross into the brain tissue and protect the neurons responsible for memory, focus, and processing speed. Berries work especially well at night because this is when the brain performs its daily maintenance cycle. While you sleep, the brain removes waste proteins, clears out harmful buildup, and repairs neural pathways disturbed by stress or inflammation. However, this cleansing process slows down when inflammation is high. Berries help restore balance, so the brain can perform this nightly reset. Older adults who eat berries regularly often notice improved recall, better concentration, and more stable mood. This happens because berries help soothe chronic low-grade inflammation that builds up silently through the years. When inflammation calms, the brain can function with far more clarity. Berries also support the eyes. They help the retina rebuild the pigments that allow the eyes to adjust to darkness. Many seniors struggle with headlights because their eyes cannot adapt fast enough when bright light appears in the dark. Anthocyanins help speed up this adaptation so nighttime environments feel less harsh. The ideal nightly portion is 1/3 to 1/2 cup of mixed berries. Frozen berries work well as long as they contain no added sugar. You can eat them alone or pair them with plain Greek yogurt to help stabilize digestion and support slow, steady absorption. Avoid berry juices and fruit spreads made with sweeteners because these remove fiber and create unnecessary sugar spikes. Whole berries are your best source of brain and eye support at night. Now let us move to a fruit everyone knows, yet almost nobody uses strategically for brain and eye health: the humble apple. People repeat the phrase "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," but they rarely think of apples as tools for nighttime clarity or glare reduction. Apples contain a compound called fisetin, which is more powerful than most people realize. This compound supports natural pathways that defend neurons and help slow down age-related decline. It also soothes inflammation inside the retina, where tiny vessels struggle with oxidative stress over time. This constant stress is one reason many older adults experience heavy glare at night. When the retina becomes irritated, it loses flexibility. Light adaptation slows. Streetlights and headlights begin to feel extremely sharp. Apples help calm the retinal tissue by supplying steady polyphenols that cross into the eye and the brain. Many older adults discover that one red apple in the evening can help reduce nighttime glare. For instance, a man in his early 70s once explained that headlights no longer made him tense after he started eating a red apple each night after dinner. Choosing apples with red skin is important because the majority of fisetin and related pigments concentrate near the peel. Fujigala and Honeycrisp are great options. Eat apples raw whenever possible because cooking removes some of their natural compounds. If you have difficulty chewing, steam the slices for a minute or two until soft, but avoid peeling them. Avoid apple juice entirely because juice removes fiber and triggers sharp sugar rises. If your digestion is sensitive, pair your apple with a few nuts to slow the absorption and keep your evening blood sugar stable. The last fruit you need in your nighttime rotation is also one of the gentlest. Soft, sweet, mild pears. Pears rarely receive attention, but they play an essential role in calming systemic inflammation and improving oxygen flow to the brain and eyes. As you age, inflammation becomes a silent force, affecting your energy, focus, and visual stability. It tightens blood vessels and reduces oxygen supply to the retina and the thinking centers of the brain. Pears help counter this through two main actions. First, pears contain high levels of soluble fiber, especially pectin. This fiber binds to inflammatory compounds in the digestive tract and removes them from the body. When inflammation decreases in the gut, the nervous system benefits because the gut and brain communicate directly. Second pears contain chlorogenic acid, which supports healthy vessel function. The better your blood flows, the more oxygen your brain and eyes receive. This is vital at night because retinal cells depend strongly on oxygen to adapt to darkness and movement. Pears are also low in natural sugar, so they digest slowly and avoid the late-night spikes that can interrupt the brain repair cycle. The best pears for nighttime use include Bartlett and Bosc, though any ripe pear with soft flesh will work. Eat pears raw with the skin for maximum benefit. If you enjoy warm fruit, you can poach your pear lightly with a pinch of cinnamon to enhance digestive comfort. Stay away from canned pears, which often contain heavy syrup that undermines the benefits. One medium pear after dinner, or about an hour later, is enough to support nighttime. Detox and improve the oxygen balance in the brain during sleep. Now, let us bring all 4 fruits into a simple plan you can follow every week without stress. The real power of this routine comes from its rhythm, not from perfection or complexity. After dinner, give your body about 45 minutes to begin shifting into repair mode. Then choose one fruit. Only one. Monday might be guava. Tuesday might be berries. Wednesday could be a red apple. Thursday, a soft pear. Then repeat this cycle or adjust it based on what your body enjoys most. You do not need strict rules. You only need consistency. Whole fruit is always the best choice. Avoid juices, dried fruit, and anything canned in syrup. Keep your portions moderate. Too much fruit at night overwhelms your system, but one serving delivers enough nourishment for your brain and your eyes to benefit during sleep. Avoid mixing several fruits together at night because combining many natural sugars can trigger blood sugar fluctuations that disrupt deep rest. If you miss a night, do not worry. Just continue the next day. Your body responds to gentle repetition more than strict discipline. Think of this routine not as a diet, but as a nightly gift to yourself. One fruit, one evening, one message to your body that healing is welcome. And do not forget something deeply important. You are here reading this because you have not given up on your health or your clarity. You believe you can age with strength and stability. And you are right. You do not need perfect vision or flawless memory. You only need a routine that helps your body work with you, not against you. One guava to protect your retina. One bowl of berries to nourish your thinking. One red apple to soften glare. One pear to calm inflammation and support oxygen flow. Repeat through the week. Trust the rhythm. Trust your body. Tonight, when you finish dinner or settle down for the evening, choose one fruit. Not as a rule, but as an act of self-respect. Because your eyes deserve to stay clear. Your mind deserves to stay bright. And you deserve to feel confident even in the quiet hours of the night.